Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to unbox this. So this is the BMW M3 Wagon and this is by Hot Wheels from their mainline series. Let's unbox this. So I bought this for 179, which is the MRP. Okay, here is the card art. We put this away. Okay, so here is the casting. So out of the box, the casting looks good. It has paint chipping here, as you can see. So it has a Michelin Man, artwork here. So the BMW logo is here. It is not that clear, but it is there. So it has, I don't know, it is supposed to be a, okay, it is acrylic headlights, which is good, and half roll down window, that looks really good. And you can see the interior a little bit here because rest everything is like 99% tinted in black, so that doesn't look really good. And it has acrylic taillights as well, that looks really good. There is something here on the interior, I'm not sure what that is. It is just a support system, I guess. Yeah, looks like that's just a support system. Okay, and you can see the exhaust detailing here. It looks like a separate piece, but it does look good. Okay, so the body is fully metal, the chassis is fully plastic, the rims doesn't really look good. I mean, they would have changed something else. Okay, it has rear view mirrors here, looks good. The front bumper has a good amount of detailing here. Honestly, detailing wise, they did it really well. They could have done in a different color actually, instead of going with this particular green. Maybe a red color or like a deep blue color. That would have looked really cool. Okay, let's put it on the scale. 30 grams, not bad. Okay, let's roll this. That is fast and smooth. I did not expect that. The front wheel actually didn't touch sometimes, but still it rolls really well. Okay, so let's rate this casting now. So see, the paint chip is something specific to mine, so don't worry about it. It's not a common thing, but apart from that, it literally has every other detailing, so 10 out of 10. So there is nothing to blame in this casting or to nitpick or to point out. So this is a good casting. Only my personal thing is they could have done it in a different color. So maybe some people might like this color. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.